Here's a very short video on how to disable the seatbelt chime on a 2014-2015 Dodge Ram. First thing you want to do, you want to open your door up, sit in the seat, close your door, put your fob or key in the on or the run position. Turn it on.
Can that you, baby girl? I know you.
Your seat belt should be already clicked in, and you have 10 seconds to unlock it and lock it 3 times. Cut the car back off, start it up, and when you put the car in drive, your seat belt should stop chiming as it is now. It's not chiming and I'm moving. Seatbelt unlocked. Not chiming anymore. So this was a short video on how to disable the seatbelt chime on a 2014-2015 Dodge Ram pickup truck.